Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, so I'm going to take all this off again, replace the seal and jet in the end of the crankshaft, do the pin and the spring for the auto decompressor, and just make sure everything else is good. I want to check the oil galleries. A subscriber, suggested to make sure none of those are blocked. So I'm going to do all this. So back to the start again. Take the brake pedal spring off. Now, I did see on YouTube, instead of taking this bolt off, you unloosen it here and the pedal will swing all the way back. So I'll just give that a go this time. I keep forgetting to my eyesight's slightly different than the camera's. Put that back on so I don't lose it. That's dropped completely down out the way. $12mm. And from memory, that was a 13. I've marked this with a piece of tape, so 13 seems to be a common size, and so it makes it easy to recognise. And then after all that work yesterday of putting the front wheel chock in, I realised, well, I'm going to do all this work while it's on the side stand anyway. So so I've just brought the bike over this side slightly and then leaned it. The centre stand is sitting right where the main frame goes, and then I've tied both sides just to make sure, to give it some stability just in case. And then I also just, depending on the set, you can just loosen the thing right up. I think I'll take it off that way. And I'm going to leave this on some, so you can see how it gets away. I'll take it off. Okay. So I haven't done anything for a couple of weeks and I've sort of forgotten already. Okay, so the connecting wires. Okay, I'll just put a light on so I can see. Yeah, that's off, that's off.